G'day, it's Matt here. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to take this little image on a black background, which is just a white image there, and get this end result here. So the first thing we're going to do is we've got our chameleon here on a black background. I'm going to download this asset. I'm going to come into my uploads, upload that file, and then I'm going to come down. I'm going to drop that over the top of this asset here, and then we're going to come over to our edit option up the top here and come all the way down, and you want to use the tracer app. With tracer, what we want to do is go black and white, trace the image. Okay, so now what I need to do is click add to design. It's going to drop that on there. It looks really weird here, as you can see there, right? So if I just drag that over to the side there, you can see I've got this little dude with the colors behind it. So now I'm going to remove that. I want to make this a bit bigger than where it's at. You can see I've got this really cool little effect going on behind the chameleon there. But what I also want to do now is I want to bring a bit more color into the chameleon. So let's make that smaller. Drop that back behind again there. I think that looks better. Probably even drag it in so to get a bit more. And then we've got our little chameleon with our color burst behind it.